Hi everybody, it's Tracy here. I'm going to share with you book number 3 of 5 for my coworkers. My first one was a baby boy album. It was this one here. I will make sure I put a link down below in case you haven't watched the video for these, and if you want to. Book number 2, very super chunky. And then this is book number 3. It is 10 inches by just under 9, so 8 3/4 inches wide, wide. It is quite thick. It is not at 2 3/4 inch thick. This is also from Laura's Craft Zone, which I'll link down below. I have 2 more to make, a baby boy and a baby girl, and then I'll be done with those as well as the onesies that I made. I just got those finished yesterday for mamas. I'm going to do a quick flip through of this and then hopefully get started on my next album here very soon. Probably not today. I have to do that adulting thing. But anyway, so this board, the spine has some adhesive ribbon here. I added a little bit more because it didn't want to stick down very well. It's a little die cut piece popped up on some chipboard. This here also is more adhesive ribbon with another die cut piece popped up. On hers it was super cute. I think she used the same paper line, and she had a ruler here, but I didn't have one, and so I thought it was super cute, but I'll keep that idea for in the future. Laura also had a closure on hers. I didn't do that on mine because I feel like that the cover is pretty sturdy. So I don't think that it needed that. It is a chipboard cover, and her tutorial will show you how to make the cover all the way to the pages. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. Actually, I want to quick show you. There is some ribbon here. I think this needs to be a little sturdier. I think I would have probably done some chipboard, but overall I think it turned out super cute. And then there's some more ribbon here, both adhesive ribbons. I'm doing really well on using up my ribbons and lace and stuff because I have an abundance of it all. Sorry, my hair is stuck to it for some reason. So you're gonna go ahead and open it up here, and this side here will mirror image this side here. So I have a little hippo sticker there with this fun flower border punch. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then I added a couple tags in here. Now she didn't add the tags, I don't believe, but she did add this little flip out book. So there's a couple of sweet little tags with some ribbon and lace and the Tim Holtz tiny attacher. She could probably put a picture on there, write some little notes. And then here I have the picket fence border punch. I have difficulties with that because I'm still learning my border punches after having them for years. But this is a 5.5 by, I believe it was 5.5 little flip through. Mama could put pictures or journaling in there. And there's a little waterfall. With my border punch, it didn't work out so well because it gets caught. And then I just used another corner punch there, my crocodile punch. I think I should have put some ribbon there, but oh well. Mom could put dates there or something, maybe. So just a lot of waterfalls, seven of them total. And then you could put a picture there, or Mom could put a picture there. And then, so I feel like I should have put some chipboard here because it's kind of lays flat. But once she puts stuff in it, it might thicken it up a little bit. So over here we have a magnetic closure and 2 flips, excuse me, with a little sticker that says Precious Daughter, a die cut that says such a big miracle in such a little girl. And then this here, I measured it earlier, but I forgot. It is quite a big area. It is 9 3/4 by 6.5. So she could probably put 2 pictures or some journaling and pictures. Oops, wrong way. Flips back. There's a little bit of bias tape right here. On the center, nope, this is still the same side, sorry. There's a couple tags here. I think I should have made them bigger because this pocket goes way down. So that's why I ended up putting the ribbon and the lace on there, or the bias tape. They just tuck in with more of that flower border punch. I only used 3 punches, the flower, the picket fence, and then the crocodile corner chomper. It's actually, I think it was the ticket stub one. And then more little tags there. Okay, and then this flips this way. There's plenty of room. She could put more stuff in there. Flips this way with more of that bias tape. And then another magnetic closure here with more of that flower border. And then there is also a pocket here. So lots of room for cards or, I don't know, dried flowers or whatever. On this back insert here, this I think too should have had some chipboard just to make it stand up because it is a deep pocket. There's a die cut punched up or popped up. And then another booklet with more of that flower border trim and some lace, ribbon and lace. Same on the back. This one she could probably do either way. This way or this way, but obviously this makes it cuter. And this here is 9 by 6. Like I said, she has very great tutorials, and this is in there as well. So this flips back this way, that way. We're gonna pull it over this way. There's a little bit of lace here. And then there's 2 of these in the center. She made the booklets. I think, well, actually, I don't think she made the booklets. I just decided to. But she did have the belly band on there. And I found these cute little paper clips at Joann's. I think it's that Park Lane or something like that. You know, the little dump bins that they have of inexpensive little things. And then another booklet. This one's a little bit smaller, but still quite big. It's 8 by 5.5, and more of that really cute pink and white polka dotted bias tape. And this is why I didn't have enough paper to do more things, because I made all these booklets. That just tucks in there on that little belly band, and then I just decided to do the paper clip just to hold it in place so that Mama doesn't lose it. There's a big pocket here. Flips over, another belly band here for whatever pictures. Some more bias tape. Another one of those little books with the paper clip to hold it in. These books are pretty much the same papers. Another big pocket. And then another belly band here on the back. Some more lace. And see, this is why I think it needs chipboard, because that should be standing up so that it's nice and thick. Anyways, there's some more tags here. Little journaling spot. And then another one of those books. And then this waterfall is pretty much the same as the other, but I tried to switch up the papers a little bit. So that it had lots of fun colors and designs. Another spot there. Scoot this over a little bit so we don't go out of frame. And the cute little elephants. And then another magnetic closure with the crocodile corner punch. I love that flower design there. A little hippo die cut. Looks, and more. And then this one says sugar and spice and everything nice. And then we're gonna come back this way just a little bit. A couple more tags here. This one is cute because it looks like a little playing card with the polka dots on the back. More of that fun flower border punch. And then a couple more tags here. And then we're gonna flip it out. Oops. And then the cute little hippos, it says welcome little one. Another magnetic closure. I think I pretty much used up all the papers except for some of the die cuts and stickers. I'm not a huge sticker fan. I don't know why, but I'm just not. And then another pocket. And then the back of the right side. And this one says, a baby is a blessing, a gift from heaven above, precious little angel to cherish and to love. And then another book with more of that flower border punch. Like I said, Mama could do it either way. That tucks in there. And this is a big, deep pocket, so she could put lots of goodies in there. And so that's that baby album. I'm going to probably hop on over to her channel and see if I can find another one, or maybe find another channel. I have quite a few out there that I like to follow. But I want to just say thanks for stopping by, liking, commenting, subscribing, and give me those big thumbs ups. And I hope you guys all have a fabulous day. Bye.